the number A is 70% less than the positive number B. The number C is 60% greater than A. The number C is how many times B? We can write the given information as equations. Okay, let me consider the first piece of information, that is A is 70% less than the positive number B. We can write this A is as A is equal to, since we have the stuff 70% less than, we have to subtract this 70 from 100, then we have 100 negative 70, take percent of this number B. Then we have A equals to 100 negative 70 is 30, that is 30% of B. Now, let's consider the second piece of information, that is C is 60% greater than A. Then we have to write C is equal to, since we have the stuff 60% greater than, we have to add this 60 to 100, that is 100 positive 60% of this A. Then we have C equals to 100 positive 60 is 160, that is 160% of A. Now let's consider the third piece of information. Actually, it is a question, that is C is how many times of B. Let me assume C is K times of B. Then we have the equation C equals to K times B. Now we have three equations. One is over here, the second equation is over here, the third equation is over here. Now we have to take these three equations in Desmos to find the value of K, which gives the answer for this question. That is C is how many times of B. Okay, now in Desmos, we have to open the square bracket. Now inside the square bracket, we have to consider the quantities we have on the left side of all the three equations separated by commas. We have A that we have on the left side of the first equation, comma, on the left side of the second equation we have C, comma, on the left side of the third equation we have C again. Now close the square bracket, take tilde, open the square bracket. Now we have to consider the quantities we have on the right side of all the three equations separated by commas. That is 30% of B, the first equation. The second equation we have 160% of A on the right side. The third equation we have KB on the right side. Now close the square bracket. Here we get 0 as values for all the four constants A, C, B and K. I think Desmos does not work with the problem we have over here. Okay, let's consider each of the three equations we have over here. Here in the first equation, it is solved for A in terms of B. If I know the value of B, I'll be able to get the value of A. Once I know the value of A, I'll be able to get the value of C. Then using the values of B and C, I can know C is how many times of B. So we need the value of B to get the value of A. But the value of B is not given in the problem. Since this is a problem based on percentage, we can assume some value for the constant B over here. Okay, now what we can do is we can assume the value of B as 100. Okay, then this KB will become what? This KB will become, that is K times 100, or it can also be written as 100K. Now in Desmos, let's replace this B by 100, this KB by 100K. Okay, let me do it. So I replace B by 100 and this KB by 100K. Here I got the value of K, that is 0.48. Already we have assumed C is K times of B, that is C is 0.48 times of B.